I'm Jamie with eGiving's Donation Solutions. I'm going to demo the transaction history features of the main page and also show you how to export a report. The first thing I'm going to do is show how to view a transaction history. When you log into the control panel, this is the first page that you'll see. This is the main page, and of course the main feature of this page is the orders or the transactions for that time, for that day that you're logging in. The transactions will show here for anything that was done on the kiosk or desktop units for that day. To view previous transactions, all you really need to do is select a start date up here, and we're going to do August 1st, and then an end date, and we're going to select August 31st, and then hit filter. This will show you all the transactions that were conducted on the kiosk for that time frame that you specified, August 1st through August 31st. You will be able to see the receipt number, the transaction date, the transaction time, the name of the person conducting the transaction, the amount, and the last four digits of the credit card that was used. The status button will show whether or not the transaction was processed correctly, and you can click on the little clipboard right here to view the receipt. If you would like to print off this receipt, all you have to do is hit Control P, and then you can just hit print to print any of the receipts. I'm not going to print this one just now, so I'm going to cancel and cancel out of this page. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to basically take this report and export it to your computer. So what you're going to want to do to export a file is to hit your export button. A little pop-up menu will appear. Again, you want to type in the date range that you're going to want to export, and we'll start off with August 1st, 2011 through August 31st, 2011. Export. To download the file, just click on the click to download CSV file. And I'm just going to open this. I'm not going to save it to my computer. I'm going to expand this. This is a CSV file in Excel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand these columns out. And again, this is in this report. You can see the receipt number, the last four digits of the credit card that was used, the ID for the terminal that was used, and the first name of the customer, the last name of the customer, the transaction date and the time, and again the time is listed right there, the email address for the person that conducted the transaction, what kind of transaction it was, whether or not it was a donation or a payment on child care or a purchase or a registration. The product name will be detailed out in there right now, and of course the price. So if you wanted to basically save this file, just click on in Excel and you can save it to your desktop. I'm not going to save this particular one, so I'm going to X out of there. So that is how to view a transaction history and to export a file out of the control panel to your computer. And that concludes this demo.